What can an independent broker or wholesale mortgage broker offer you that your credit union or bank can't? My name is Uzi Kohane, and I'm with UM Kohane Incorporated, empowered by Nexa, and I want to answer that question for you today. So when we think of our credit union or our bank, that is what most people will consider retail. When you think of a wholesale broker or independent mortgage broker, that's what most people would consider wholesale. So let's take the example of shopping for running shoes. If you're shopping for running shoes and you decide you want a Nike running shoe and you go to a Nike store, they can only offer you Nike shoes, Nike shoe products at Nike prices. If you decide you want to try a better price or you want a longer list of options, then you might go to a mall or you might go to a running shoe store that has a list of running shoes and at different price points for different types of runners. Now, in the mortgage industry, the equivalent to that situation is your bank or your credit union offering you retail. In other words, they're only offering you their products at their rates and for their terms, and they cannot flex or change those. And the opposite of that, or I should say the converse of that, would be to go to a wholesale broker or a independent mortgage broker. And what they're going to offer you is the ability to have a list of lenders and all of their programs and all of their rates. So I want to dig a little bit deeper into those options. So for example, one of those options might be down payment assistance. Another option might be them offering you a unique loan type that your bank won't offer you. For example, if you get a loan with your bank or your credit union, they may only consider income from a normal 9-to-5 employer. Whereas if you go with an independent broker or independent mortgage broker, they may offer you a bank statement loan, where if you were an independent contractor or self-employed individual, they will consider the income that you have in your bank account, those deposits, as the way to qualify for a loan. So those are just a few options, but I'm going to give you a few more pointers, and that is in terms of the motivations of the two individuals. So when we go to our bank or we go to our credit union, the loan officers that we usually are interacting with, they are there for a set period of time, 9 to 5, usually Monday through Friday. And in addition to that, they're usually paid a salary. So the motivation is going to be different when you go to an independent mortgage broker or independent loan officer. They more than likely will work a number of hours way beyond 5 p.m. and they normally will work weekends, if not 6 or 7 days a week. In addition to that, when it's all said and done, the interaction that you have with your independent mortgage broker or a wholesale mortgage broker will be a lot more detailed, and it will be a lot more customized to your needs. So I hope that helps you see the difference in what you could expect from, say, a retail lender as opposed to a wholesale mortgage broker or independent mortgage broker. All right, thank you.